Hello, hola my friends, I'm so happy that you're here. Welcome to my channel, guys. So check it out. I am going to be making this little guy right here and the rest of these little nails right here. A little cicada, and he's so adorable to me. He's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna be doing him, and what I have right now is just a white base, and we're going to use some pigment powder, so that way he'll have a base like that, colorful, and we'll stamp it with one of these guys right here. This is what I'm using as a base there, just to give it, you know, like something, yeah, I don't want to say three-dimensional in the world, but you know, just like a contrast. There you go. Just like a nice little contrast or whatever from the bug, right? So we are doing that, and then we're using this little guy here from this Cicada plate. They have other little things on here, but that is the one that I want to use today in stock, is this little guy. So let's get started, okay? Because we got some stuff to do. So all this is just a white base. It is lacquer, and it is fully dry. So that way, it allows me to use this foundation base gel. That's going to be our little base there to use this little guy right here. He's kind of tapered a little bit, you see. Makeup brush and these neon pigment powders here, and I got these on Amazon. So the one that I have there has these two, and that's the purple and the rose. So this time let's go ahead and use the blue, maybe with the green. Okay, we're gonna do that one on this one. And I'm going to do them one by one, because what I don't like is and I'm not using the same color. If I were using the same color, then I would just do them more, you know. But I don't like it to sit, because I feel like it just doesn't grab as much, you know. So maybe make two of them that color or something. Nah, they all got to be different. They just do. Let's go. I won't keep you, though. I'll just put this and then cure it, and we'll be on to powder. Okay, last one is what they would call red, because it doesn't look red to me, and this blue right here. So let's give it a shot. There we go. Last one. Last one, baby. I'm gonna clean up and then we'll do our base stamp there with the kaleidoscope one. Just to kind of give it that little contrast thing. The last one I used this one. So we'll see. Okay, so there we have it. Everyone has a little two-tone going on. Just like this one. This one was pink and purple. And then I stamped it with this guy right here. So we're going to use this one as well. I think on all. I think we'll be fine. It'll work for all. Vamos. Okay, so I'm looking at this one. I just did this one with the gold. This one has the yellow and the pink, and this one has the gold and the green, which matches the way I did this one with the gold and the orange. So I think I'm gonna follow this, and we're gonna scrap this guy and do him again with gold. Okay, so here's the deal. I want to put these little black flowers underneath the guy, right? The cicada. So, but where would I think, you know, it will look cute? So we're going to randomly place them. I'm not even going to front. Let's place them. Check it out, guys. I've got some little creepy crawlers flyers. Look how adorable they are. I'm loving it. I really am. I absolutely love how cute these turned out. Look at that. Just so super wild and yet so beautiful. I'm down with this. Ah! Yeah, buddy. How cute. Okay, so yeah, that was a show. Okay, that was a wrap. We is done. And we like it. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please subscribe, guys. Be a part of my world. I want you here. I mean, let's go. Holla. Lots of love. Share that thing. Boop, boop. Back and forth. Ping pong that. Ah. Okay, peace. Au revoir.